Kinder mathematicians, Mrs. Orozco here, and I'm going to help you with decomposing the number 5. Remember, we've been talking about what decomposing and composing mean. So let's review it really quick. So compose means to put together. Compose. Can you do that with me? Ready? Compose. That means that we're taking this part and we're going to put it together just like Legos. Decompose is the opposite. So decompose is when you take something and you break it apart into different pieces. So we are going to decompose. You do that with me. Ready? Decompose. Good job. So today we're going to be working on composing and decomposing the number 5. So I'm going to show you these cards that I have and we're going to work through them together, okay? Come on. So I have here these cards that are also on Schoology. They are on a Keynote activity for you. So if you're at home, all you have to do is just download the Keynote activity to your iPad and you'll be able to, with your finger, drag the counters where they belong. If you are in class, we're going to do this with some counters. So friends, you're going to need 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are in class, if you are at home, you just need to open your Keynote and use that little finger to drag them where they belong. So let's get started. We're talking about composing and decomposing the number 5 this week. So here I have, let's count how many apples I have in my 5 frame. 1, 2, and 3. I have 3 apples in my 5 frame. And so that's why I have the number 3 here. I want to compose the number 5. So compose means to put together for a whole. And if you remember how we did the math with the 2 circles, because those are the 2 groups that we are going to put together and that we are going to make into one whole. So the whole is 5. So here I have 3. 1, 2, and 3. Friends, how many do I need to make it a 5? Well, that's easy. Let me show you with these cards. You're going to be the best mathematician. So I have 1, 2, 3, and look, these are empty. So I'm going to take my counter and put them here. Now, how many did I have to put on those blank pieces? 1, 2. So friends, how many counters did I have to put on the 5 frame myself? Let's count them again. 1, 2. So that would be 2. That means that if I put these 2 here and I put them together just like we did in the other day on math, we would have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, because here I have 3 and here I have 2, which means that 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2 equals 5. That is some amazing mathematician work. You ready to do some more? All right, let's do some more. So this card, I have 0. I have 0 on that card, friends. Wow. So I'm going to need to fill up that 5 frame. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many of these counters did I add onto the card? That's right, I added 5. So now I know that 0 plus 5 equals 5. Let's try another one. Ready? Okay. Here I have the number 1. Why do I have the number 1 there, friends? Because on my 5 frame, I have 1 winter hat. Yes, so I already have 1. So that means that this number is going to go here. I'm going to add more counters. Let's see how many more I have to add to my 5 frame to complete it into a 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many, friends? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means that 1 plus 4 equals 5. And let's double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There you have it, friends. These are the number cards that are going to help you become the best mathematicians at composing the number 5. Wow, these cards are amazing. They're going to help us be kindergarten smart and super mathematicians. I'm going to be able to decompose 5 and compose 5 all day long with these cards. Now, remember, you can practice this anytime you want with any 5 objects. It is so much fun to do with somebody else as well. All right, friends, happy composing and decomposing. Remember, your work is right down here on Schoology. Take a picture of it or submit it here this way. Bye.